Howdy hi there, boys and girls. Eugene here. Hey, I've had some people ask about my Ratbike that I keep talking about. Here it is in all its rusted, busted glory. This is a 1940s Firestone. I had the skip tooth chain on it. I got rid of that. Got rid of the wheels on it. Wheels were pretty rotted out. Got a heavy-duty chrome one with 11 or 12 gauge spokes on the back. And then I got a front wheel off of Cranbrook. We're running the Duro tires. Stock motor. As you can see, I'm running the carburetor open, and yeah, I sell the metal throttle grip, throttle assemblies, but hey, I'm using the plastic one. It's hanging in there for me here. Pretty much a stock motor. I rebuilt it since last winter. It got kind of sluggish, let it sit out in the elements. Rebuilt it, ran a little ratty, and then started running pretty good after it got broke in. I've got the expansion chamber there. I got the seat off of eBay. A vintage seat. The one that came with the bike was pretty crapped out. I've got the the new LED headlight here with the rechargeable battery. You can see there I got my carburetor. I run that son of a gun open. I've been running it that way for years. No problem. Works for me. The battery pack here, you can see that's where it plugs into the headlamp as well when you want to charge it. You can charge it up. Okay, seizure alert here. The LED is going to strobe on us here for a second or two. So watch your eyeballs. It's going to do it one more time here. But yeah, that's pretty bright. Bright enough at night. I'm not going to be out there mixing it up with cars. I'm just going to be cruising through my little subdivision here at night. That's all I need. And I got the little truck nuts flasher on the back for my rear light. One of these days I'll do a video, show you how I did the patina on the tank. Mainly, I just let this bike sit out in the rain. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Click subscribe. More to come. Thank you for watching. Bye now.